Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TikTok Shop automation with AI for content recommendations. Quick tutorial. Start by accessing your TikTok account on the website or app. Navigate to the TikTok Shop section from your profile. Once in the TikTok Shop dashboard, look for the automation settings. Click on automation to enter the setup area. Now, locate the option for AI content recommendations. Select Enable AI Recommendations to turn on this feature. A prompt may appear asking for your content preferences. Fill out the form with the types of products you sell and your target audience. Next, specify the keywords relevant to your content. After entering your preferences, click the Save button. Your AI system will now analyze your input. Wait a moment for the AI to generate initial content recommendations. Once completed, you will see a list of suggested content ideas. Review the recommendations to gauge their relevance to your brand. You can customize any suggestions by adjusting the text or images. To activate, click on Schedule Posting for selected content. Choose the time and date for each post based on your audience activity. Confirm your selections and finalize the automation setup. Watch as the AI continues to provide relevant recommendations automatically. Regularly check back to refine preferences based on performance. Now, you're ready to enhance your TikTok shop with automated AI content recommendations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.